My name is Miciela. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Lashio. It's crash category.
Spread report has come upon the video team in my school. Yeah, spread the ball, yeah, has been on one to be
This is the story of Rumpelstiltskin.
Your Majesty.
Miller boasts to the king that his daughter can spin straw into gold. The greedy king's
Straw to
eyes
gold,
lit
you
up.
say? Bring your daughter to me at once.
A moment later, he returned pushing his daughter in front of the king.
Your father claims you can spin straw into gold. I would like to see that. Come with me to my castle. If you can do as he says, I shall make you my wife.
The miller's daughter found herself in a room filled with straw, facing an impossible task. Despair washed over her until a mysterious figure appeared.
I can spin this straw into gold, but what will you give me in return? How about your firstborn child?
Well, if you can truly spin this straw into gold, I promise you my firstborn child.
Here you go, your gold, but don't forget your promise.
Thank you, I promise I won't forget. Miller's daughter presents the gold to the king. The king married the miller's daughter that very day, and she became a queen. After a year, she gave birth to a beautiful baby boy. The queen had forgotten about her promise to the strange little man. Rumpelstiltskin soon
I have
appeared
come to
before
claim what
her.
you promise.
No, I can give you so much more now. You can take all the treasure of the kingdom, but please, do not take my child.
The child belongs to me, but I shall give you one more chance. If you can guess my name in the next 3 days, you may keep the child.
The queen sent messengers to discover his name. On the third day, a messenger overheard Rumpelstiltskin singing his name while dancing in the wood. He returned to the castle and told the queen about it. Soon the little man arrived with a sly
So
smile
have you
on
guessed
his
my
face.
name?
The queen smiled. Is it Federico? Bernard? Hyacinth? One last guess. Is your name
What?
Rumpelstiltskin?
How did you know?
His face grew red. He tore himself apart in a fit of anger, disappearing forever. The king and queen lived happily ever after. Choose the box that you think is the right thing, A or B. The answer is correct. In some cases, lying can have legal consequences. Perjury, for instance, is the act of lying under oath and is a criminal offense.
Choose the box that you think is the right thing, A or B. The answer is correct. We have to value the privacy and protect our personal information, such as real name, address, and contact details, from being easily accessible to the public or to certain individuals. This can help safeguard against identity theft, harassment, or unwanted intrusions into our personal lives.